If you're a general contractor with questions about using PlanHub, you're in the right place. This is How to PlanHub. In this video, we'll show you how to sign up for PlanHub and how to create your general contractor profile. Let's get started. From the PlanHub website, click the Sign Up button in the upper right. Then, select the option to sign up as a general contractor to get started. To register, enter your email address, your first and last name, your password, and your phone number. Once you've read and clicked I agree to the PlanHub terms of use, click Create Account to complete registration. Now, you'll create your general contractor profile. Start by entering your company address. Select your city and then click Submit. Next, enter your company name, a brief company description, your construction sector, and your project types. Then, select the states that you cover. You can also upload your company logo by clicking and selecting a file from your device. Then, click Next. Now, upload your list of subcontractors so they can see and bid on projects you've submitted in PlanHub. Click to add a CSV or Excel file of all your subs. PlanHub provides an example of what the file should look like. You can also individually add your subs' emails below, separating them with a comma to add multiple. Then, click Send Invites. If you don't have a list or any emails ready, click Skip for now, and you can come back to this. And that's How to PlanHub. In this video, we'll show you how to add your personal network of subs to your general contractor profile. Let's get started. From the Projects board, click on the Subcontractors tab to get access to your personal network of subs. From the Subcontractors tab, click Add Subcontractors. Here you can click this box and upload your subcontractor email list file from your device. Choose your CSV or Excel file. It's easiest to format your list in a single column of email addresses, but if your list is too large or difficult to edit, upload it as is and our support team can help you format it. You also have the option to type in individual email addresses in this secondary box. Then, click Invite. Once you invite your subcontractors, they'll receive an email notifying them that you're using PlanHub as a means to distribute your project information. It will invite them to create their own profiles so they can receive relevant bid invitations from you based on the trades that are needed and the location of the project. Once your subcontractors register their profiles, or if they already have a profile on the site, you'll see their company information in the Subcontractor tab. You can organize all of your subs' information from the search filter box here on the right side. And you can also view each company's information by clicking the Actions drop-down button and selecting View Profile. And that's How to PlanHub. In this video, we'll show you how to post your very first project. Let's get started. From the project board, click the New Project button. Posting your project is done in 4 easy steps. First, enter in your project's basic information, like name and address, including the zip code. Choose your city and the state will populate once you enter in the zip code. Select your construction type and your bid due date. You can also include the time that you want the bids by. Click Next Step. Now you can enter in all of your project details. Select your bidding status, your project type, and the project building use. You also have the option to select your sector and labor status, estimated start date and completion date, square footage, and project value. Based on your project, there will be a description that populates with the parameters you've chosen. We recommend updating the description to make it as detailed as possible. Providing subs with more information will make them more likely to bid the project to you. Now, select all your trades. You can choose New Construction with Site Work or Interior Fit Out, and you'll get a pre-populated list of trades for your project. Each pre-selected trade is based on the most common trades for your type of project. Click Next Step. This is where you can upload your project files. Click the box to upload files from your device or drag and drop them. Once uploaded, you can organize your project files into different folders, whether they're plans, specs, addendums, or general documents. When all your files are uploaded, click Next Step. Lastly, you'll add final details and invite subs to bid on your project. Here, you can include any special instructions like scheduling a walkthrough or requesting bids in specific ways. Then you can select any of your team members that you'd like to receive the project. You can also schedule a reminder email for subs a few days before bids are due. Next, choose where you'd like your subcontractor distribution for the ITBs to go. We do provide both of these options for subs within your network, as well as subs outside of your network to give your project maximum exposure, getting you the maximum amount of bids. You can also click the plus to upload your subcontractor email list, or manually enter any emails to directly receive the ITB on your project. And finally, click Send Invitations. The invitations will then be delivered to all subcontractors based on the trades you need and the location of the project. All bid invitations will be delivered within the hour. And that's how to PlanHub. In this video, we'll show you how to make changes or edit your project. Let's get started. From your project board, click on the project you want to edit to get to the project overview. Click the Edit Project button in the upper right. Here, you can make changes to any part of your project, like the project name, address, construction type, or bid due date. Click Next Step and you can change other project details, like the bidding status if it's been awarded, the project type, or even the trades needed. Click Next Step. This is where you can add or edit project files, like new addendums. Just click the box to open up your file manager and upload any new files you'd like to add. In the edit process, only the first 3 steps are available. After you've made any changes to your project, click Save and return to Project. Then, head back to the Project Overview page and click Post Update. This is where you can provide info on any updates you've just made in your project. When you click Submit, an email notification will go out to all subcontractors informing them of the changes. And that's how to PlanHub. In this video, we'll show you how to post a status update for your project. Let's get started. On the project board, click on the project you'd like to provide a status update for. From the Project Overview page, click the Post Update button. This will bring up the Post Status Update message box. Type in your message and click Submit. All subcontractors will then receive an email notification with your message. Remember, anytime you edit a project, you'll need to post a status update, so all of your subcontractors receive an email notification for it. You can use the Project Update feature to relay additional information for your project, like scheduling a walkthrough, a pre-bid meeting, or if you just want to send out a bid reminder for your project. And that's how to PlanHub. In this video, we'll show you how to respond to an RFI. Let's get started. From the project board, click on the project you want to view RFIs from. RFI stands for Request for Information. Subcontractors often need additional information in order to complete their bids and submit an accurate bid to you. As subs submit their RFIs on your project, they'll all be listed here. You can also receive email notifications whenever an RFI is submitted, depending on your notification settings. You can reply to these via email or from your RFI center. To respond to the RFI, click Reply and a box will appear. When you respond to an RFI, it'll automatically default to Private, allowing you to respond directly to the subcontractor. However, if you're getting many of the same RFIs, you can create a public response so all subcontractors can see it. Enter your message here, and you can also upload any files that the subcontractor may need clarification on. Click Submit, and your message will be sent to the subcontractor. And that's how to PlanHub. In this video, we'll show you how to use your subcontractor activity and status tracking reports. Let's get started. From the project board, click on the project you want to view. On the Project Overview page, click on Activity and Status Tracking from the menu on the left. This is where you'll have access to all the subcontractors who've received a bid invitation for your project. The first report you'll see is Who's Received an ITB. Each page shows 10 subcontractors that you can view. You can also search for them via the search bar. Under the drop-down menu, you can organize results by who's viewed the project, who's downloaded the files, and bidding status. Each report comes date and time stamped with the activity that was performed. On the bidding status report, you can see whether subcontractors are bidding the project, if they decided not to bid the project, or if they are undecided. You can also see which subcontractors have submitted bids from this report as well. Looking at who has viewed your project with this report will give you the best indication of which subcontractors will bid on the project. You can also customize these reports using the Select Trades drop-down. If you're lacking bids from any trades, select those trades by category, and the report will then repopulate with that search parameter. You can also communicate with each subcontractor on the report by clicking Send Mail. Type in your message here and click Send. Each subcontractor selected will receive that email notification. Additionally, you can communicate with each subcontractor individually by selecting the Action drop-down and clicking the Send Message button. From the Action drop-down, you can select View Profile to learn more about each subcontractor. You can keep notes on each subcontractor, and you have access to their contact information as well. PlanHub also gives you the ability to print out any of these reports. When you click Print, the report will be formatted into a PDF file that you can view, save, and print. And that's how to PlanHub. In this video, we'll show you how to change your account settings and notifications. Let's get started. On the project board, click on the Settings tab. From here, you can view and edit all of your PlanHub settings and notifications. Account information is listed here. You can change your first and last name, your email address, or even change your password. Here, you can add or edit phone numbers. Click Save Changes when you're finished editing. Next, you can edit your notification settings. Almost all notifications are turned on to ensure that you receive an email anytime your project receives a new bid, anytime that you receive a message from a subcontractor or an RFI request, or anytime that you make an update on a project. New subcontractor registration is turned off, so you don't receive a large amount of notifications when you upload your subcontractor list. You can edit any of these notification settings. In the Company section, you can update any information about your business, including an updated description, a company logo, and a link to your website. You can also change your address, your construction sector, and your project building use. Click Save Changes when you're done. Below your Company section, we've provided an option for subcontractors if they ever mistakenly register as a general contractor. If you are a general contractor, avoid this button. Clicking it as a GC can cause you to lose valuable account and project information. Lastly, your Team section allows you to see all the team members on your account and their positions. If you have administrator rights, you can manage, update, or delete team members. To invite new team members, click the plus button. Enter their email address and click Invite Now. When you click Invite Now, they will receive an email invitation to create their own login credentials and join your team. And that's how to PlanHub. Now your account is updated and you can receive notifications right when you want them. Check out our other videos to learn more about using your PlanHub account.